Today, global warming is one of the major challenges facing both governments and regions. How can we balance employment and growth with respect for the environment? This question was central to the deliberations of the Assembly of European Regions, which gathered at the end of 2009 in Belfort, at the European headquarters of GE Energy, world energy leader. Seeking a partner equal to such a challenge, the European organization decided to turn to the expertise of GE Energy.
In the field of renewable energy, GE is itself a model. And we feel that what is happening in the territory of Belfort and the Franche-Comté region is an asset for Europe. And I think that for the president of these 270 European regions, GE was the obvious choice as a partner.
The aim of this partnership will be exchange with the regions. Thanks to our portfolio of activities, we're able to bring personalized solutions for each region. Each region will be able to make the most of these solutions, according to its resources and its localization. With the innovation and technical expertise of the energy giant at their disposal, the regions are today best placed to meet the needs of the population. Gaining recognition of their ability to make the most effective energy decisions is the challenge of the Belfort Appeal that the regions have set to the decision-makers meeting in Copenhagen. The unprecedented partnership between the regions and the world-renowned industrial group is hailed by the United Nations present in Belfort. It is especially gratifying to see that a company such as GE can join in this dialogue, support this dialogue and offer its services, its skills, its technology to the service of this noble cause that is the struggle against climate change. Also present in Belfort was the Climate Group, one of the best-known organizations of public and industrial players in the fight against global warming.
Business understands the technology, states and regions understand the policies. If we put them together, then we can create a better future, save the planet and beat climate change.
The unprecedented partnership between GE Energy and the regions is now opening up the way to cooperation on a global level. For example, during the World Regional Summit launched in Copenhagen.